done.
What are you doing, Norm?
I've got the paint mixed. I'm getting ready to paint that dashboard.
Well, it'd be nice. It must be nice to have your own personal paint booth that you can use anytime you want.
It must be.
Right?
I wish I had one.
What is that? Acetone?
No, it's lacquer thinner.
Why you got that? I got lacquer thinner over there. You mixing lacquer thinner with paint?
No.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning apart to
Hey, hold on a minute. Is that my f***ing spray gun right there?
No.
Okay, whose spray gun is that?
That's mine.
What kind of spray gun is that? I've never seen.
It's a.
What the hell, dude?
You watch and see. You go.
Maybe you ought to think about cleaning that thing out, Norm.
Well, that's what I'm doing.
What the f*** is?
What do you think I'm doing right now?
We got a car we need to look at. I'm gonna go ahead and say it. It's a piece of shit.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
But he likes it.
No, it's a piece of shit.
But he likes it.
Okay. But we're gonna go ahead and look at it anyway, just because it's sitting here and it's in my parking lot, making my shop look ugly, basically turning customers away as they drive by.
Yeah, maybe they are.
It looks worse than that spray gun, dude. And that spray gun looks pretty bad.
The spray gun is 12 years old.
Yeah,
man.
whoopie wow, dude. I got spray guns that are 40 years old, 50 years old. Still using them today.
I still use this.
But you know what? Let's go see what you're painting, and I'll tell you if you're doing it right. How's that sound?
Let's go in there and
All
look
right,
at it.
let me be the critiquer today and not you. Let me be the nitpicker.
Go ahead.
Come on in.
I'm coming.
Let's show everybody what's going on with Nitpick North today and my friend Pete paint booth. See that thing in my fucking paint booth running. That is dangerous. That's a bomb waiting to happen right there. What's this, dude?
Dashboard.
Hold on a minute. Now you had it already painted. What's going on here?
I had a little run.
Where?
It's gone now. I already sanded it out.
So you got all the runs out, Norm?
Yeah.
You sure about that?
Well, that ain't where it is. That gets covered by
What about that? That looks like runs to
by a dash pad.
How is that? This gets covered by a dash pad?
This all does.
So this is the bottom of the dash we're looking at. This is actually the top. Why are you worried about this?
Because it had a run. I didn't like it.
So? You can't see it.
You'll see it.
It's upside down.
You'll see it.
What about the dent right here? What's going on with that?
That's going to be there.
So the dent's going to stay, but the run's gone.
Yep.
Wow.
Let he who never had a run pass the first.
Yeah, now whose is this dash for? What's this dash for, dude?
This dash is for the 70 Roadrunner convertible.
So it's not even your car?
Not even mine. It's Garrett's car.
Huh. Why ain't he in here painting it, Norm? That's what I'm asking.
Because if he was painted, he runs everywhere.
Well, you know what? You got Nitpick Jr. over here using my shop. Let's go out there and see what we got that we're working on and see what kind of work he's doing.
All right, let's check it out. Wow, look at this beautiful car.
Yeah, sure thing, Norm. What is this? Is this like, is this the style of today right here or what? We're going to be leaving it like that, I guess.
That's the way he bought it, and that's the way he's leaving it.
He's leaving it like that.
He's driving it just like it is.
A rusted, rotted quarter panel, somebody replaced, and the whole thing's put on with pop rivets. Look at this. I don't even think there's one weld on this whole car.
I don't think there is.
Wow. That's fucking ridiculous, dude. You got a door that's not even bolted on right. What's wrong? What's going on up here in the front end, dude? What's happening here?
He's got the K-frame taken apart now.
Why?
Because he's putting that big old heavy motor in it.
He's putting a big Hemi motor?
Yeah.
A big Hemi motor. You sure about that?
He's putting that 5.7 out of the truck.
So he bought a truck to get the motor out of. He took the motor out of it. Now he's going to put it in this thing here, and this is how he's going to leave it, just like this.
Just like this and drive it.
So it's good. This is basically a Joe Dirt special.
Rat ride.
Now he told me that he's going to get a fin and put it on there too, a Super Bird fin. Is that correct?
That's what he told me.
Huh. And you really think that it's worth doing that, all that work to this car, to make it a rat rod that it looks like today.
Nope. If this was me, I'd
Okay,
be
look,
smart.
this quarter panel matches the other side, Norm.
I know.
I can't believe it, dude. Look at this. Pop riveted on and from hell.
And the pop rivets aren't even straight.
And you know what really amazes me? It looks like he took my DA sander to it and started sanding down the rust.
No, I don't think so.
Now, that's bullshit, because you can tell this quarter panel over here has been sanded.
Has it?
Yes,
Oh,
it
maybe
has.
did.
So he's taking my sandpaper, my DA sander, and my air compressor and tools and sanding fucking rust down. You're shitting me, right? Let's go ahead and open that door and see what we got. Yeah, it looks like a fucking rat rod. It looks like a fucking mess, dude.
Might have had a couple rats living in it.
There might be some rats in it. I see he put the dash out of the pickup truck inside the car.
Yep.
Is that actually mounted in there, or is it just sitting in there? So it's mounted in there tight. You sure?
Well, I don't know.
Huh, I didn't think so, Norm. What the hell is up with that, Norm?
He's using everything. Wire
Wow.
all
What's this thing over here? What is that?
He put the AC in.
He's putting the air conditioning
He
in.
did it already. It's under. It's all under.
Well, go
the
ahead and
hood.
open the hood. I want to see this,
There's
dude.
nothing under
Open the hood.
There ain't nothing under the hood.
There's nothing under the hood. What
Not
do you
yet.
mean? You said he put all the air conditioning in. There's nothing in here, Norm. Nothing.
There's the heater.
Oh, whoopee wow. So he drilled some holes. He's got that installed. Okay. What about this? What's going on with the brakes? Where's the master cylinder power booster out of the truck?
He's not doing power.
Oh, he's not doing powered brakes?
No.
Okay, so what is this deal right? Is this the K-frame we're looking at?
The K-frame's in there already with the motor.
Okay, so where's the K-frame? In the back of this
This
frame?
this is the K-frame. I'm talking about the K-frame.
Okay, so he has another K-frame that
That he's
he's
got the
already
motor.
modified, that he's got the motor and tranny on, huh?
Yes.
Let's go check that out and see what we got. I think this Camaro right here is worth more money than that damn Mopar, dude. What are you thinking?
Probably is.
Okay? I mean, you know, you guys think just because it says Mopar on it, it's worth hundreds and thousands of dollars. What about this 67 Camaro right here that is a one-owner Camaro? What about that?
I like this car. I
Yeah,
like all
right.
kinds
This is a
of
nice
cars.
car. This is a nice car.
I like all kinds of
Okay,
cars.
this car here is going to be a badass ride, and the guy's building it right, and he's doing a good job at it. Okay, and when this car gets done, it's going to be worth a lot more money than that piece of shit rust bucket that you guys are spending hundreds of thousands of dollars on, dude.
He ain't spending anything on it.
Now that's bullshit.
He's not.
He bought a truck.
Yeah, and he already sold all the parts
He
off
bought
the
a truck for the motor.
Yeah, and
No, he didn't. There's other stuff that he bought.
No, there's not.
Okay, I don't believe it. I don't
bought
believe it, dude.
nothing.
I don't believe
He
it.
has bought nothing. He made the mounts himself. He's doing it all.
Huh. Now what's going on with this?
Zero. The only thing he has to buy, and he's got to buy from a Dakota. He's got to buy the.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, I don't think that's gonna fly, Norm.
The Dakota makes it short.
I don't think that's gonna fly, okay? That's not gonna fly. Where's his motor mounts at? I want to see. He made those.
Yeah.
He just made those motor mounts right there.
Yeah.
Out of what?
Out of square
Pipe, square pipe tubing. Good luck on that, dude. For being a technical engineer, that doesn't look too engineered there, Norm.
Well, he's
Okay.
actually he's going to make new ones.
Oh, okay, sure. Now he's got.
Like those.
So those ones there he made, but now he says, well, those look ugly. I'm gonna make some new ones that actually work. Got it. Okay. What's all this shit up here, Norm?
It's all parts that belong.
Huh. Nuts and bolts, and I guess he's gonna use this in there, right?
It's a gas pedal.
Yeah, gotta have that in there. Here's a motor mount right here. What about that motor mount?
Won't fit on the K-frame.
Won't fit. But you know what? He should have went ahead and spent a little money, because I'm sure they make a K-frame where you can bolt this motor
They
right
do.
down to it,
They do.
and you can fucking just slide everything in and go down the road, Norm.
They do.
But instead, he'd rather take some kind of square tubing shit and bolt it in there with washers and nuts and, you know, make something that looks like crap, dude. And hopefully that'll hold together, Norm.
That's what I told him.
Okay, that I'm just gonna be honest with you. That looks like total puke.
I agree.
Okay, I just can't believe that Garrett would even do anything like that to compensate the situation to make things work, dude. That's just pure insanity right there. What about the transmission? Where's the cross member for that?
So you got to build one.
Oh, he's got to make one. Huh.
You got to cut the floor out so it'll.
Got to cut the floor out too. Wow.
But look, he's keeping it nice and warm with that beautiful turtleneck sweater.
Yeah. So why is that on there? Can I ask that? Why
I
does
have
he?
no idea.
And he's got to cut the floor out to make all this work.
Yep.
And he said he was done with it. It's ready to go. I'll tell you what, Norm. when you all get that piece of shit running, you let me know so I can be here to, you know, film this little action and getting it started.
All right.
All right? Because my expectations on this are not fucking high, dude.
But hey, he's like 22 years old. You can't tell him anything.
Well, you know, the situation is, how many piles of shit does he actually have laying around?
3.
He's got 3 of them. None of them are finished. He's got so much. He's got a lot of money involved in all of them.
No, he doesn't.
Yeah, he does. He's got a lot of money in these cars. Don't tell me he got this car for free.
No.
How much did he pay for it?
$3,500.
$3,500 for a rust bucket like this. And this is what he's doing to it. Does it got a clear title? Does he got the number plate for it and all this other shit?
Yes, and it even had...
Well, tell him to sell the number plate because it ain't no good now anyway. So he's got $3,500 in this. How much did he buy the parts truck for?
$1,200.
$1,200. Okay.
But he's already sold $800.
He's got $4,700.
Already sold $800
Okay.
off the truck.
Well, he's still got other shit he's bought for it and done to
He
it.
has it.
All right. He's been working on this thing for 3 or 4 months off and on. It's junk, Norm. All right. What about his other car? What has he got? That convertible?
Yes.
Yeah. How much money has he got in that? How
And
much?
he's got about $7,000.
$7,000. And it ain't running. It's not running, dude. Okay? None of the cars that you guys even have are running, Norm.
Yes, they are. I've got mine.
Okay, let's go look at yours. Where's it at? Where's he at? Where's yours at?
In the back there.
Oh, that's right. The one you've been storing back here for 3 years.
You're supposed to do it.
Yeah, it runs, but it's not painted and driving. Am I right?
It drives.
And if we look right there, there's the car Norm's talking about. Been sitting in that spot there for about 3 or 4 years. Rusting away. Look at the brand new metal that he put on it and then brought it over here. He comes over here about once a month and starts it up. And it just sits there. Sits there collecting water and rain, soot, rats, and rat shit. Norm.
There's no rats or rat shit, Pete.
Okay,
I've
whatever
got
you say.
mothballs in there.
Oh, that's right. You put mothballs in there. That got saturated by the 3 months of rain we've had. Yeah, those are really going to work, Norm. Thank you very much, Norm. All I can tell you, the job is stupid, dude.
You forgot about one car of mine back there,
What?
Pete.
What is
You
it?
forgot about my Mercedes.
Oh, wow. I can't see it, Norm. I'm sorry, dude. It must be behind the trailer back there.
That's a shame you can't see that car. It's a beautiful car. I traded that for that Ford van that you loved so much.
We're going to go look at that later. Should I start calling you guys Larry Jr.?
Maybe.
Shade Tree Juniors?
Let's
Okay.
maybe.
This thing here, I'll tell you what I would do if that was my car. I'd put it on Craigslist, and I'd put it on there for $3,000 or best offer, get rid of it, shit it out the fucking door, and down the road it would go. I'd take the loss just to get it out of my sight so I didn't have to wake up every morning and look at the piece of shit, because that's all this thing is. It's a piece of shit and nothing more, and whatever you guys think you're going to do with it is just going to degrade it even more and more and make it worth less value than it is sitting right here just like that. Do you think it would be worth restoring? Yeah. Okay, so I guess this is a professional restoration here. Let's go ahead and pop rivet all the rust repair on it. Wow.
Do that. That's the way it came.
Why isn't Garrett taking his time and really fixing this car up nice? Why?
Because he just wants a rat rod.
Don't you think he should have just put a regular motor or tranny in it and then drove it?
That's what I think.
This fucking shit that he's trying to pull on this car is ridiculous, dude. It's not gonna work. He'll never get it. It'll never be done.
Mate, you could be right. But he's gonna have to learn the hard way.
Well, it looks like he's gonna learn the hard way. Can we even open this door? No, we can't. Doorknob won't open. Wow. Okay. All right, Norm. Thanks a lot, bud. You better get back to painting in there.
Yeah, I better get
it. That paint's gonna rot out on you. It's gonna dry up.
It is gonna dry out.
Okay. Good luck, Norm. Thank you.
Thanks, Pete.
We'll see you on the next one, buddy. Take it easy. Did you see that piece of crap out there that Garrett is turning into a rat rod roadrunner? What's your idea on that deal? He bought a truck to take the motor and tranny out to put in this piece of shit. You ought to see the motor mounts. You ought to see his motor mounts.
First off, that big Dodge truck engine is not going to fit in that car.
We already found that out. He's got to cut the floor out to put the transmission in.
Well, I could have taught him that without even being a freaking mechanic.
Well, you know, what they're doing to that thing is diabolical. It's not even Frankenstein material. Okay? It's Monster
Okay,
from the Black
you gotta
Lagoon
look at
shit.
it this way. You gotta look at it this way. He's like, what, 23, 24?
Yeah, 22.
Okay, it's something he wants to do,
Well,
so, you know.
Good for him.
Let him do it.
You know, he needs to get it off my parking lot because as far as I'm concerned, it's distracting customers from coming up here to get their cars worked on. It's making my lot look like a fucking junkyard, and I don't like it.
Well, then have him put it in the back.
He's going to have to do something with it. That's all I know. You know, I can remember when I was young, and we used to buy cars and sell them and fix them up and paint them and, you know, go to super shops and, yeah. Okay, boy, sit down. We used to go over to super shops and buy the latest, greatest intake manifold and, you know, get the big giant Mickey Thompson slick tires and put it on there, stuck out of the fenders 4 or 5 inches on each side and slap a set of air shocks on it and jack the back up in the air like this, you know, and it had the real skinny Mickey Thompson drag tires on the front. Yeah, you know, we used to do all that when we were kids, but now you look back and you still think that's cool. But when you look at something like that, all you're looking at is fucking junk, period.